Okay, YouTube, so this is the haul I was telling y'all about that I need to do. I got so many Shein outfits. I have so many. And these are all gym clothes. Headbands as well. And then I had to pull out and buy me some new socks. So that's what you see up in here is new socks. So stay tuned for that haul. The gym bag I had newly got, y'all. Oh my God, this gym bag is so tea. It's like just right, just perfect. And I am truly in love with it. I'm planning on putting more of the decor stuff that I just ordered from Shein right here. I just need to buy frames for it. And then I think I'm gonna decorate this wall with it. And then right here is gonna be like the walk-in area. So I'm gonna put some stuff right here to decorate this. And then, I don't know what I'm gonna put around this. I think I might just leave this wall like that. All these paintings were made by me. I love me a good painting sip. And so this wall is gonna be filled with my paintings if I go paint more. Y'all, so these are the 2 packages I'm about to open. I'm so excited. Holder thing. Phone holder. I can't talk or hold anything today. So yeah, this is supposed to be for the gym. Some more lashes. I already got a lot of these, but the clusters I got was decurled and I want C-curled. So again, like I said, these shirts would be on my haul, but these are just more shirts. And that's why I was waiting to do my gym haul, clothing gym haul, because I was waiting for these shirts from TikTok. Very stretchy. And I'll get close to show y'all the material on it. And then have like athletic right here. I think this is supposed to be like a dry fit, which means like it's supposed to absorb the sweat. Suction right there, so that's like the suction, but like suction, so it's supposed to be sucking stuff. And this is how it's supposed to be, so it's like this. Okay, YouTube, I am back. Okay, so as y'all seen, I was doing a little unboxing. I'm actually using one of the suction things right now as we speak. So that's cool. Like, you can definitely tell the difference from how I had it mounted last video to this video. Oh my God, 10 out of 10. Go to TikTok and get the suction thing for your phone, like a phone mount. Literally little to none effort. It's $3.40 and I'm just now eating. So I'm planning on going to tropical smoothie. I feel like that's the most healthiest thing I can eat, honestly, right now. And that is quick. I can grab and I don't have to make it. Made it. Like I said, I need to go to Dollar Tree. So we're going to go into Dollar Tree real quickly. I'm trying to see if they're going to have what I need. I don't know. Okay, so I need these. They sell these nice wallpaper stuff. Let's see where that takes me. So now I'm gonna go in tropical smoothie. Oh my God, y'all, I love this place. Real bad. Yeah. Thank you so much. You too. Okay, so if you want to know my order, I know. So I got the Bahama Mama. It's so good. Bahama Mama has like the white chocolate in it. But I told them no sugar and then put protein in it. So let's see how this tastes. Really good. Chipotle chicken club sandwich with my banana as a side. Okay, so I'm choosing healthier options. We could have bust this down right now. Last bite. And I'm gonna head back home and try to set up my apartment and make it look cute with the stuff that I have gotten. Y'all, we was in Walmart. I told you we was gonna be in something out of here. One thing I hate about Walmart is their carts. Look, the struggle is always real. This is the aisle I was talking about with all the friends. A whole bunch. I ordered the exact enough amount for my. Okay, so this is a paper towel holder. So this is the candle I bought. Got these and then another size and stuff like this. So I'm planning on putting these. I'm trying to check and measure the lines of this stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna check back in with you all once I kind of get a clear overview. I know for sure I'm putting curtains up. It looks cute. It's cute. I don't like the home, it's too big. So cute. I added the light ambiance, so I'm gonna turn off the light. See, I'm gonna change this picture out, but it's cute because it's get. Come right here. Got another light ambiance thingamajig. Another little. And then we turn. This is the Homebody Club. Oh my God, I love my hallway. Imagine having an apartment like this with all this wall space and open space. Like I had to do something with it. Okay, this is how it look more down. Either or is fine, honestly. I think I'm liking this one more, so I think I might let that down a little bit. The cord things that I bought, but I can use them one. So, my camera's about to die, so let me hurry up and show this. Let's see. Ooh, very cutesy. It adds to the ambiance. Oh yeah, that ate. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks. Oh my gosh. I ate that up. And I like that you can take them down and charge them, because I wouldn't want a lot of cords running through here and stuff. So that's cute. Right here under this one. Looks. Oh my God, I'm in love. So cute, so cute, so cute. Y'all have to take the trash out, so don't worry about that. Okay, YouTube, so I hung up the very last curtain. All of that. All of that. But that is good. Everything y'all saw me hung up today, I literally got from Shein. Adding the curtain holders around them. Yeah, I just felt like that looked very cutesy. But girl, your girl is done. I'm gonna go to bed. I am tired, but I love this hallway. I cannot get over my hallway. It's too cute. I can't get over it. These pictures and stuff all came from Shein, except y'all saw me get these frames from Walmart. Each of these frames was like $7, $8. And light strictures, I got these from TikTok. And it comes with a remote. And as y'all know, I got all this from Shein. I got this from Dollar General though. Okay, there it goes. So this has like on and off. It has 50%, 100%. So right now they're at 100. Oh no, they weren't. Oh, okay, that's 100. Oh, the 100 is bright. I had them on 50% this whole time. Tomorrow, we're gonna mop the floors. Tomorrow I gotta do homework, and tomorrow I'm gonna edit content. Oh, and I need to do a try-on haul. Yes, we need to do a try-on haul. We didn't do a try-on today, so let's get one tomorrow. All right, y'all, I love you, but no, I'm taking care of myself. I'm getting my apartment together. Yes! Most of the time when I'm in Ohio, I spend... What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Welcome back. Right now it's 10:52. My clock in my car still says 9:52. Time has now went ahead. That's how you know summertime is coming. When time skips ahead, you know summertime is coming. When time goes back, you know it's winter time. I gotta grab some milk from one of my RA programs. Yes, y'all. Let me tell y'all, I literally went to bed at 5 a.m. I was just up doom scrolling, checking out my accounts, because y'all see I was busy all day, so I didn't have time to be on my phone at all. So when I got some down, but today is definitely take down hair, do homework. So I'm about to head to Kroger, and then I will hit you all when I'm there. Hey, what's up, y'all? Ooh, I love Kroger. I ain't gonna lie, Kroger is expensive. These both is 2% milk, right? This is just a different brand. And this one expires sooner than this one. I don't know. Can y'all tell me why? That's interesting. Like, I understand like almond milk and those other milks, they last longer, but these are both 2%. Maybe is it because they're both reduced fat? It's just a different brand. But I'm gonna go with the one that is a little bit longer. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I got what I needed from Kroger. I also bought me that energy drink. I don't know if I should bust it down right now. I don't know why I keep saying something like that. Like, we should bust it down. Bust it down. All right, I'm extra as F. I'm gonna go back home, though. I got so much stuff that I need to do. Y'all, I got these little towel things from Dollar General. And then egg. Got some water. Ready though, so I can go ahead and put a little cooking spray. Spray her down. Be like literally one waffle. But I don't want to eat too much. I try to keep my portions to a minimum because I really try to watch my portions and what I'm intaking. My mom told me I should start fasting. That's another way you drop weight quickly. It's something about this like radiation or something. Oh, I did not mean to turn it. See y'all. Ooh. So cute. Seems like the bacon almost done. Side up. Like I'm gonna make it like a sunny side up. I'm waiting for my food to get done. I think I'm gonna find me something to watch. Who is that? Yes. But just like at myself because something told me like, you know how you skate. Okay, y'all. So your girl got the sugar free. I'm not able to. Boom. Skating was good, y'all. That's all you need. It's crazy. I have a table right there, but I never use my table. I'm nurturing myself and fueling the body. This is her name is not consistent. Y'all, look at that. I have a planner. Like, if I don't, I feel like I'm taking the braids out while watching my girl Luxury Tot. Yes, taking these braids out. Finally. That was a long one, two months of braids in. What's up, YouTube? Okay, I am officially done taking my hair out. Look at my hair. I look so crazy. Yes, but I'm so happy to feel my hair because I had got my hair done January 27th. It is now March 8th or 9th. So I had my hair braided up for... It felt like 2 months, but maybe that's not accurate. Maybe that's like a month and a half, but I love my hair. Yeah, so I'm about to wash my hair. I'm about to blow dry it. I'm gonna rock it natural. And then when I come back after spring break, that's when I'm gonna get my braids. So we just gonna be doing our slick buns, our natural hairstyles. Snack time. Starting my assignment, y'all. It's getting real. Starting it. This is my quick snack, and then I'm gonna find something to eat tonight. Yes, y'all.